Hi, I'm Anusha. I make beauty related content. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing a haul video with you all. Actually, we have an empties video. I'll leave a link here so that you can go and check that out. Because we have so many empties, we have to go ahead and purchase new stuff. I'm kidding because I have emptied a lot of products and I need replacements and I want to try new products for reviews and I want to try new products for myself. So, presenting you with the haul. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. First, we will look at the face washes that I got. First, we have Minimalist Salicylic plus LHA 2% cleanser. I have already started using this product. When I first started using this, first I applied it onto my skin and I started working lather. It felt very drying on my skin. I applied moisturizer, but it did not cause any purging or skin sensitivity or nothing like that. From next day, I took it on my palm. I worked up the lather between my palms itself and I used that lather to cleanse my skin. It cleanses my skin effectively, but I did not experience any drying effect when I do that. So it's been nearly 1 week to 10 days since I started using this product. I use this product only once a day, that too at night time. So far so good. No complaints, no irritation, no drying, nothing like that. Yeah, it is a good cleanser. I'll use this for 1 more week, then I'll provide a full review along with ingredients list and everything. As of now, it is a good cleanser. Another 2 cleansers. One is from Cleanse Me. Actually, for my morning cleanser, now I am using the simple refreshing cleanser. Now, that cleanser, I am about to run out of that. So, I thought I'll get some cream based cleansers because the season is turning a little cold here. So, I thought a cream based cleanser would be a good option. Actually, I like Vilva cream based cleanser, but that is kind of expensive. It costs around 450 or something like that for 100 ml of product. So I thought I'll try some different options. This is Cleanse Me. This is pH balanced cleanser. It retails for 200 for 125 ml of product. So if it works for me, a very good option. I have not started using this product but have heard very good reviews about this, so I have high hopes. Then the next cleanser I have in my hand, Episoft cleanser. The ingredients are very good and it retails for 330 rupees for 125 ml of product. Again, I have high hopes for this product. Then we have serums. All the 3 serums are from Earth Rhythm. This is 10% niacinamide and ceramide complex serum. Actually, I prefer 5% niacinamide because the other moisturizers and all, they already have niacinamide. So I prefer 5%. But this one, when I saw this, it has ceramide complex and hyaluronic acid added to niacinamide. Ceramides are one of my favorite ingredients to have in my skincare. They really helped my skin to heal a lot. So I thought this is an unique combination and I may give it a try. So I went ahead and bought this product and I'm enjoying this product since I got this. To my surprise, like a good surprise, it did not feel strong on my skin. It felt very mild and soothing actually. So I feel comfortable using this. Actually, I am topping up this product with a moisturizer that do not have niacinamide. So the other ingredients in my skincare routine right now do not have niacinamide other than this product. It is a very good product. I'll review this soon. Then we have peptide complex from Earth Rhythm. This is somewhat thick when compared to niacinamide serum, but again this feels very soothing on the skin and this did not give me any irritation or anything. So I like this product very much. I started using this just 1 week ago. So after using this for like three weeks more, then I'll give you a review of this product. Then we have this glow drops from Earth Rhythm. This has different derivative of vitamin C, that is 15% ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate, and it also has squalene and caffeine used to it. This is actually an oil based serum. I have not used this particular derivative of vitamin C, so I thought of giving it a try, so I got this product. Now I have a lot of moisturizers. Don't judge me, I love moisturizers. I keep reapplying moisturizers on my skin. I'm like that. I just love moisturizers. Whenever I don't feel like doing a proper skincare routine, I'll cleanse my skin properly and apply a good moisturizer, and I'm good to go. Yeah, first we have this Innisfree Aloe Revital Soothing Gel. Very good quality soothing gel, but this is not aloe vera gel. If you are looking for a proper aloe vera gel, this is not for you. But if you are okay with a good soothing gel to apply it on your skin to soothe your skin, then this is a very good option to go for. I'll review this product. I like this product very much. I use this along with my vitamin C for skin sandwich method, and it is working really good on my skin. Then we have another moisturizer from Earth Rhythm. This is their Phyto Clear moisturizer. Actually, I have used their old version and I like that product very much. So I have got the reformulated version. I have used it like 2 to 3 times. Very good moisturizer. Again, disappears into skin like water or lotion. If you have oily skin, you will enjoy this product very much. It did not give me any skin irritation or redness, nothing like that. It will soothe and hydrate and moisturize your skin very well. I love that product. Then we have Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel. Actually, I like Cosrx Propolis Honey Mask very much, but I cannot find that product now. It is out of stock on all the websites, so I went ahead and bought this product, and I feel that this is a close dupe of that product, not in the ingredients list wise, but performance wise. It is slightly less thick when compared to that moisturizer, and slightly less hydrating than that one. But if you cannot find it, it is a good alternative. Or if you want a good gel based moisturizer, it is a good option to consider because it has some good ingredients like cucumber extract and aloe vera. It has actually 80% of aloe vera, including aloe vera juice, aloe vera extract, aloe vera powder. So it is a very good option, and 10% propolis. So this is a very good moisturizer. Then we have this Moschino moisturizer. I got this product because it has ceramide in it. They have used ceramide 3, and the concentration is also pretty good. It comes above phenoxyethanol. So I am guessing the concentration is good. It is not very less. Actually, I have used this product. I am using this product from past 1 week. See, if you have combination skin, you can use this product at night. But if you have oily skin, I think you cannot use this product. But if you have dry skin, you will enjoy this product throughout the year. I have combination skin and the days are getting a little bit cold in our area, and I enjoy this product as night moisturizer. It suited my skin very well. It will settle within 2 to 3 minutes. I like thick occlusive kind of moisturizers in my nighttime skincare routine. I like that moisturized feeling on my skin. Earlier I used to be more into gel kind of moisturizers. Even at night time I used to use those kind of moisturizers. But when I have switched to more emollient or occlusive kind of moisturizers, my skin started looking way more healthy and way more better than earlier. So I stick to thick emollient based moisturizers for night time, and normally I use Purito Cica mask for night. This also works really well for me. This is very affordable also. Like, it costed me around 320 rupees for 100 grams of product, and even I did not pay 320 also. I got this from Farm Easy and they are having some 20% off. So I got it at less price than 320, less than 300 only I paid for 100 grams of product, and this is a very good quality moisturizer. If you have from combination to dry skin, you will enjoy this product a lot. Then we have Aqua Oats Moisturizer. Actually in Form Easy, they have shown the old formulation where used one ceramide and oat flour above phenoxyethanol, but in this new formulation, I have got this in new formulation. Actually the concern with this new formulation is all the good ingredients like oat kernel oil, oatmeal extract, and all the ceramides they have used, all those come after phenoxyethanol. And one more thing is they have used this particular kind of urea, this particular type of urea that I am showing on the screen. This particular type of urea is known to release formaldehyde, so it cannot be used in concentrations more than 0.5 concentration, 0.5% in any skincare formulations. It comes after phenoxyethanol, so I am guessing the concentration is pretty low, but I am not sure. So I have mixed feelings for this product. It is pretty thick. It is not something that I can put on my face. I have not used this product on my face yet, but I have applied this to my hands and it moisturized my hands very well. So performance wise it is good. If you have from combination to dry skin, you will enjoy this product, but if you have oily skin, you can skip this. Then we have Sebamed Moisturizing Cream with 2% vitamin E. I got this product because I like vitamin E as an ingredient, and vitamin E and vitamin C will both go very well together. So I thought this will go well with vitamin C that I am using in the daytime. I used it once or twice, but I felt it a little bit heavy on my skin. So I am thinking to use this at night time. I have not started using this for night time, but I'll use this and I'll let you know. Actually it has fragrance, I think. It has strong smell. I'm guessing it has fragrance. I forgot. Yeah, I'll see and let you know in a detailed review. And I got this Innisfree Aloe Revital Sleeping Pack. Again, a very good moisturizer from Innisfree. It is actually a very lightweight moisturizer. I have used it 2 to 3 times. It felt very soothing and very good on the skin. But the thing is, same here as with the Aloe Revital Sleeping Gel. It do not have much concentration of aloe vera. It has very less concentration of aloe vera. But if you are okay with it and if you want like a lightweight moisturizer, this is a very good option to go for. Then we have Keep Cool and Soothe Lotion. It has thin lotion like texture, but I like this product very much. It feels very hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. Actually it has coconut oil as one of the ingredients, so I thought it may be very heavy on my skin, but no, it will give you a nice hydrated and moisturized glow to your skin. If you are from oily skin, if you are from combination skin, you can enjoy this product. If you are from dry skin, I think you have to top it up with another moisturizer. I think at this point you are going to judge me, but please don't judge me. I like moisturizers a lot. Then we have Physiogel. This is a calming relief cream, especially designed for dry skin. This comes in a 50 grams tube packaging. Again, it feels somewhat thick. I have used it on my hand only. I have not applied it onto my facial skin. I'll use it and let you know. It feels very moisturizing on the skin and it will absorb, and it is getting absorbed very quickly into the skin. So I have to use it and I'll let you know. I got this kit, green tea seed kit free with that green tea moisturizer and soothing gel. I have not started using this toner and serum, but I have started using this eye cream. Normally I don't use eye creams. I'll apply my niacinamide serum under my eyes. But I have it, so I started using this. I felt it is a good product. It is keeping my under eyes nice, hydrated and moisturized. At this point I can only say on that because it's been nearly a week I started using this, but it is a very lightweight good eye cream, but it has got fragrance in it as one of the last ingredients. If you are okay with it, you can use it, otherwise you can skip this product. Then we have Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. I have used it 4 to 5 times, but a lot of product is left because if you take a very little amount also, it will spread so nicely on the skin. It has got finely milled walnut powder, walnut shell powder also, but it will not feel like walnut shell powder. It is not at all abrasive. It feels very mild on the skin, very gentle on the skin. I enjoy this mask. Whenever I feel that my skin is congested, I use this mask and I'll feel very good. Then we have this blueberry replenishing watery sun cream. This is 100% mineral sunscreen. The ingredients are good, not that great, because it has also got essential oils. It has titanium dioxide as filter, but the consistency is very, very good. Even if I take the 3 whole fingers product, it is not leaving any white cast on my skin. Whenever you are picking a sunscreen for yourself, you should pick a sunscreen that you are comfortable wearing with. Otherwise, you tend not to use sunscreen. You will tend to skip your sunscreen. That will do more harm to your skin than using a sunscreen with a little bit of ingredients here and there. So I went ahead and bought this product. I love this product. I love this sunscreen, to be very honest. It has essential oils, but it did not irritate my skin. I am loving this sunscreen, and I think I'll repurchase this again and again. I'll make a detailed review of this product. Then I have 3 products from Plum. One is their shower gel. Actually, they have sent this cherry blossom driven me cherry shower gel as part of PR, and I like that fragrance very, very much, and the formulation is also good. It is not drying at all. So I went ahead and bought this shower gel, Hawaii Rumba. In description it says it smells like beach, but it smells more like men's deo. I have not took a shower with this product, so I cannot really comment, but to smell, it is not exactly like beach smell. I expected it to be exactly like a beach, but it is not like that. Then we have this Hello Aloe Micellar Cleansing Water. Actually, it is waterproof and transfer proof lipstick, so I'll try to remove that with this product and I'll let you know. Then we have this avocado nourish up hair mask. These days I am obsessed with hair masks. For some reason I am using hair mask left and right, so I am running out of them pretty quick, so I went ahead and bought this product. I have not used it yet, but the texture seems really good. So yeah, these are all my new purchases. I know they are a lot, but this is what I do, and I use all these products, so I'm like okay with it. So yeah, with that I am wrapping up today's video. If you like this video, please like it. Also comment down if you want me to try any other new products. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.